some stories are not written on paper, they are written on the soul. And Durjoy Datta's A Touch of Eternity is one such story. A love that dares to challenge even time itself. Two souls, Dhruvan and Anvisha, born at the same instant, under the same sky, their destinies stitched together by the thread of the universe. From their very first breath, the word whispered, these two are meant to be. प्यार अगर सच्चा हो तो वक्त भी झुक जाता है, जिस्म मिट जाता है मगर रूह फिर भी मुस्कुराती है. Every page of A Touch of Eternity hums with longing. The way Durjoy writes, you don't just read, you feel. You feel the ache of separation, the beauty of surrender, the madness of loving someone beyond the edge of life. There are moments that make you question. Would I give up my body to keep my love alive? Would I dare to live forever if I meant living without touch? They called it science, I call it fate. Two souls refusing to separate. In circuits or stars, they still collide. Love, the only one thing that can't divide. The novel isn't perfect, it drifts between heart and hypothesis. But that's its beauty. It's brave, it's haunting, it's strange. And it stays with you long after you have closed the last page. For the imagination, for the emotion, and for the way it makes eternity feel just a touch of away, I give it a rating of 4.5 out of 5. कभी कभी कहानी खत्म नहीं होती, बस रूप बदल लेती है. एक मुस्कान में, एक याद में, एक अनकहे एहसास में अमर हो जाती है. So if you've ever believed that someone loves never die, that soul never separates, A Touch of Eternity is waiting for you. Because in the end, eternity isn't found in signs or stars. It's found in the simple whisper of two hearts that refuse to stop beating for each other. This is not just a story. This is forever. But life, as always, had its own plans. Society said no. Family said never. And yet, love quietly kept saying always. Love isn't gentle. It's fierce and unkind. It tears through reason. It reshapes the mind. Between heartbeat and silence, it dares to say, even death cannot take me away. As the world races ahead with science, cloning, consciousness, eternity in a lab, Dhruvan and Anvisha step into an experiment that promises forever. But forever comes at a cost. क्या आत्मा को अमर किया जा सकता है? क्या प्यार का मतलब वही रहेगा अगर मौत अब कोई मायने ही नहीं रखे? Durjoy Datta takes us into a realm where love meets logic, where destiny meets data, and where emotions are the new frontier of science.